Okay, I'm back on my weekend project. It's hard work, a little bit of graft, but it's quite enjoyable because I suppose I'm the client, so whatever I want to do, I get to do on this one, and that pleases me. So last time you saw me, I was actually down there, about a metre below where I'm stood now, digging out the subfloor. It was relatively deep, but it wasn't flat, and I had to take the floors out because they were rotten. So what we did is I levelled the subfloor out and I put a new concrete oversight in, which you can see just here. So I poured the concrete oversight maybe 3 weeks ago. Tons of concrete, goes right through the living room, right through the dining room, and right through the hall, and it all came through the last window that I haven't yet replaced because I knew I had to get the concrete in. So once we put the concrete oversight in, I built some new walls to support the floor structure. So they're built out of blockwork there, and there's a wall plate on top of them. I do like to do that because it means that I can actually nail the joists into the wall plate. It keeps them nice and secure. You'll also see that the joists are completely independent from the walls. That's my preferred method of putting a new floor down in a period terrace house where there could be some risk of moisture in the joist ends. This is the dining room. You'll see there's sets of lats here which run either side of the noggins. Those sets of lats are just to catch the ends of the insulation, because we're going to fully insulate this floor with the kingspan, and then all those joints will be taped and sealed, and then we'll have a vapour membrane goes on the top of that before our floor covering. If you look carefully just around here, you'll see that we've put some openings in the subfloor walls and some lintels in, the same there into the hallway. And that allows me in the future to be able to get under the floor from a hatch in the understairs cupboard down here and crawl right throughout the subfloor should I need to do. There was a chimney breast there at one point. I've taken the chimney out on the ground floor here and on the first floor in the bedroom above. These are the floors. You'll see the ceilings have come down. These were old lath plaster ceilings and they were absolutely knackered. So I've furred the floor joists out on the underside to level the old ceilings up. You'll be able to see just how far out of level they were. And if you're keen-eyed, you might just be able to see the glue there, where I've had to fur them out on the top as well for the floors in the bedrooms above. I suppose it might have been easier to whip the joists out completely and just replace them, but yeah, anyway, I feathered them instead. All the first fix electric and plumbing is in place. You can see that's the plenum there for the heat recovery unit, and there's another one here in the living room, just in that corner there. So yeah, anyhow, I'll show you what I've been doing. So this weekend I've been finishing the floors in here, which are now all done, ready for the insulation, and I've been doing some tanking as well. Anyway, first floor, this is the head of the staircase, and this wall here is a bathroom dividing wall, and it used to sit just here right at the head of the stairs, but it was a bit tight really, and it made the stairs feel really small. So what I've done is I've actually pushed it back. That's opened up the hallway quite a bit, and it's given a better head at the better landing at the head of the stairs there. So 2 bedrooms, front and rear, and then a bathroom behind us, and you'll just see there that's a loft hatch into the roof space where the MVHR system is, and you'll notice how deep that is, and it's that deep on purpose because we've actually got 150mm worth of kingspan insulation in the ceilings. So the ceiling structure is fully insulated, taped and foiled, and then it has a vapour membrane underneath it, and then it is battened again to create a cavity for all the electrics and whatnot, which is up there. So that's the chimney breast from the living room above, and that fireplace there is actually fake. I actually took it out of another period property a couple of years ago that I was renovating, and it sort of suited this building quite well, so I've repurposed it and put it in here, and you'll notice I plastered these walls here with lime, apart from just that end there, which is the ductwork for the MVHR system for the living room, which comes down there, and there's the plenum there for the bedroom. Now you might be wondering, have you got a fireplace with a chimney if you put in an MVHR system? Well, I actually opened this entire chimney up and it's been completely concealed, look. So that brickwork in the back, just there, is just what I've walled back in to keep the aesthetics of the fire. So it should look quite nice when it's finished. Moving through hallway into the rear bedroom, we just prepped for plastering up here now. This is the back bedroom. There was a chimney breast there which I've taken out. It's out all the way up into the roof void, and it's currently supported by gallows. So it just makes this room a little bigger. New windows in everywhere, so that's the back. You'll also notice that I've plastered that external wall in lime as well. And just in the outside here, you'll see where I've been grinding out, and I've done most of the pointing there. Most of the pointing's been done, and that's been done with a lime mix from Womersley's. So yeah, I'm winning, or finally winning. Tanking. I've been tanking this weekend. Yeah, you might be thinking tanking in an old terrace property. Well, let me show you. So there you have it. There's the tanking. This is the bathroom. And that tank is just to waterproof the shower enclosure. So it's quite a big bathroom. It's 3 meters by 3 point something meters by 2 meters. I've just put that landscape window in there in the back. There used to be like an old sash window here right in the corner, but it was a really awkward place. So I took it out and I put a nice landscape window in the what will be the shower enclosure, and I moved the sash window to here. So that's going to be a nice big bathroom there. So this is the tanking. That there is the tanking. It's just set in now. It will be 2 coats, and it's just in the shower enclosure. We've got moisture resistant boards in there, but it's always a good idea to put a tank on before you tile. So there we go. So a busy weekend. Anyway, as you can see, I am making some progress. It's going to be a long project. I never expected to finish it in 5 minutes. It was a project really for me, and just to enjoy. Thank you. Hope you had a nice weekend. Bye bye.